a new convertible laptop with an OLED display has been unveiled by Asus. Officially, the item is known as the Asus Vivobook S16 Flip OLED. The computer has a screen that measures 16 inches, as the name suggests. Intel processors from the 13th generation powered. The corporation just disclosed the specifications. Availability and price have not been mentioned. Streamlined appearance with a simple look. I feel like I could copy and paste that from one laptop review to another, because it appears to describe so many in recent times. With a few minor differences, the Vivobook S16 Flip OLED also fits that criteria. With no chrome elements and just a new, more complex Vivobook logo decorating the lid, its chassis is one single hue. The color-coordinated keyboards have a great appearance, and the appearance is made more aggressive by a vent on the left side. Otherwise, the angles are uninteresting, and the style is often pretty traditional. Except for the plastic display bezels, the Vivobook S16 Flip OLED is entirely made of aluminum, making it stand out as less than premium. The keyboard deck and lid both flex slightly, giving the chassis a less than rigid appearance. The MIL STD810H compliant laptop weighs roughly 1.9 kilograms, which is a final but important point. A keyboard with 1.4mm key travel and an optional backlight is included with the PC out of the box. It includes a 70 Wh battery and speakers that are Dolby Atmos compatible and certified by Harman Kardon. If you push the Vivobook S16 Flip OLED CPU, you'll need to plug it in by midday, because it won't likely last a full day of light productivity duties. Even for a laptop with an OLED panel, that is not ideal. The recently released Asus laptop sports a 16-inch 3.2K 3200 by 2000 pixel OLED display with a 360-degree hinge and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Additionally, Asus highlights the panel's lightning-quick 0.2 milliseconds response time. Combining those two results in a display that runs Windows 11 with buttery smoothness, clear text scrolling, and windows that fly across the screen. Naturally, as with all OLED displays, the colors were vivid and abundant, and the blacks were inky and intense. The touchscreen is shielded by Corning Gorilla Glass NBT and enables stylus input and the entire DCI-P3 color gamut, 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. The laptop is equipped with an Intel Core i9-13900H CPU, the latest generation. Up to 16 gigs of 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 3.0 SSD are compatible with the chipset. In terms of software, it either has no pre-installed operating system, Windows 11 Home, or Windows 11 Pro. The gadget has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, power delivery, DisplayPort, one USB 2.0 Type-A, one HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm headphone port as connectivity options. It's difficult to rank the Asus Vivobook S16 Flip OLED as a laptop. Given the powerful CPU, its performance is variable, often slower than it should be, and its battery life is subpar. Additionally, its construction is a little less rigid than I prefer. It has a fantastic 120 Hz OLED display that is superior to those on many more costly laptops. It also has a competitive setup. Ultimately, the Vivobook S16 Flip OLED's performance and battery life prevent me from recommending it. There are nicer 16-inch laptops available now, even if they cost more. Thank you for watching this video, have a nice day and see you soon.